you ever heard about a Barrett 50 cal? I heard it's one of the most powerful weapons in America. Here in the USA, we come up with crazy shit every day. Well, today we have something special. Today we have a Barrett 50 cal birdshot. Now, if you don't know what a birdshot is, that's something a shotgun shoots. Now, a Barrett 50 cal shoots a Barrett 50 cal bullet. Now, what we have here is a hybrid. Pay attention, because this might be catastrophic. Might have to put a thumb in. Are we ready? As you can tell, that did not work like a 50 cal. That was birdshot.